Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Dino, and I'm pretty excited today because even though it's going to be a short video, it's one that I get asked about all the time, and that is, when are you going to finish up your dash, your 3D printed dash, and when are we going to get the files available so that we can print those things out as well? So today is an update on that project. It has taken me quite a while to get to this point, mostly because I don't have a 3D printer. I don't know anything about 3D printing. I have a little bit of background in CAD design, but my friend of mine has been helping me print this off over the last year. Now, it takes about 8 hours to print each one of these pieces. There's 5 pieces in total, I believe. And he has to dedicate an entire day to watch the printer in case it jams. So it's something that he just sort of does occasionally. And he called me up the other day and said, Dino, I've got your dashboard finally printed off. I'm going to bring it over. So Colin, thank you so much for helping me out on this project. Now we have a working prototype that we can assemble and trial on the motorcycle, see how it fits, how durable it is, that kind of thing, and make any changes in the design that I can see as I put it into play. There are a few things I can see already that are a little bit challenging. Number one is the box joints that I designed here to hold the pieces together are a little tight. So I'm gonna have to sand those probably just with a nail file and come in and clean all those up like an emery board, so that they fit nice and allow a good amount of adhesive to get into the joint and hold it together. I do have a background in woodworking, and that's why I'm using a box joint like that. But if anybody out there can let me know different types of adhesives that might be good to use, I'm kind of thinking 5-minute epoxy, but maybe there's something out there that you know of that's better. Maybe JB Weld might be good, I don't know. But let me know in the comments down below. So I'm gonna put this thing together, clean it up, and then I'll mount it on either my bike or my friend Carl's to see how well it stands up, how well it fits, and whether or not I need to make some changes to finalize it. By far, the biggest question I get about this project is, will the files be available for other people to print this off? And if they are they going to be free, or will I charge for them? And this is a hard thing for me. I've put a fair bit of work into this. The channel's a fair bit of work. But I also hate asking for money. I'm a horrible salesperson, I'll be honest with you. Like, I just hate asking for money. But a couple people out there have given me some ideas on this. And the idea is, why don't I start a Patreon account? And this could be sort of the entry-level offering for joining the Patreon channel. So I think it's like a $5 minimum monthly fee, and when you join, you get access to the files. So let me know down below if A, you think a Patreon account is something that people would support, and secondly, does it make sense that this might be the first thing that could be available to those that join as a Patreon. So let me know down below. It certainly would provide another revenue stream for the channel to allow me to grow it and make the channel more in depth, I suppose. But I guess I just feel like it's begging, and I don't know. I just feel weird about it. But anyway, let me know what you think about that.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Well, that wraps up today's episode, the update on the DR650 3D printed dash. I hope you found it interesting, and I hope you found the information useful. I'm going to get back to work. I'm still working on my 5-part series on the DR650's electrical system. Today is all about the starter, so I'm deep down in the bowels of the bike. I hope you find this series interesting. If you do, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Until then, I haven't been able to get out snowmobiling or riding. So if you've been out and enjoying the weather wherever you are in the world, leave a comment. Let me know what you've been doing on your bike or on your sled. And I'm gonna get back to filming here. You have a great day and tinker easy. Bye for now.